This project in Asbury, Iowa, we are doing a total reconstruct. So we do the few sanitary sewer manholes, all new water main. We do all the services to the stop boxes, and then we come back and core it out, rock it, and pave it. We're using John Deere 350 excavators. We got a few 330 excavators yet that got 12,000 hours on them. That we've never had any issues with them. And we have a 135 rubber track machine that we use a lot on the new concrete to backfill and run up and down the streets with the poly pads. We have a 50 excavator, we have an 85 excavator, and a lot of 200s, 2¼ It is easier working in Dubuque. We've noticed that in the past too, a lot of city streets that we do work on. If there's any Deere employees, they really like it when we're out in front of their houses and they have Deere equipment.
The latter part of my career, I spent in product support, primarily in what we call the DTAC Center, which is Dealer Technical Assistance Center. I feel quite proud to have been able to be part of that over the years and to watch these machines in action as they're tearing up my neighborhood here. I've enjoyed watching all these different machines. There's quite a number of them here on the job site.
I did a number of different jobs at John Deere. As I worked in business systems, I worked in office services. I did that for a number of years, and then I got out of that and went in the factory from '95 till I retired in 2011 as a supervisor in manufacturing. Glad to see there was a lot of John Deere equipment coming through. Was very excited about it, and I knew right then when I heard they were going to do the project, I was going to watch these guys daily, and I did. And I was also very interested to see this crew and how skilled they were operating the equipment, which I was impressed. They worked very well, I thought, and very informative, and took the time, like me bothering them, asking questions, took the time to answer them and stuff. It was a good experience for me.
We deal with Martin here in Dubuque, and we've had great luck with them through the past 25 years. They keep a good inventory and stock for us. I would recommend John Deere equipment.